So when you've had your fire alarm put in, you spent a lot of money on it. Legally, you've got to maintain it from day one. So you'll have warranty on the product, but you've got to maintain it. So a lot of people think that warranty is the maintenance, and it's not. Warranty is something it packs up. But often with warranty, especially with fire alarms, if you haven't got the maintenance, then the warranty is kind of void anyway. So you need to have the maintenance on the system afterwards, which is aftercare. Now, if it's looked after, you're going to get a good life out of it. Like anything, to start off with the brand new system, it's not a great deal to do. You're testing stuff. You're not necessarily going to be finding any major issues with it because it's brand new. But as the system gets older, the maintenance is important because you're going to be keeping an eye on things like potentials for false alarms. Have you moved a kettle or a toaster into an area where you had a smoke detector and you've turned it into a kitchen without the fact that you've not considered what you're doing? So the maintenance is really important at that point because the engineer can potentially spot that as being an issue and avoid you having to tip 50 people out of your building, shut your business down just because you didn't consider changing it to a heat detector, which is a reasonable thing. It does have to have a fire risk assessment to do that change, or get rid of the toaster, which potentially is the cheapest thing to do. So aftercare is really important, as far as it also teaching you how to use it. You've got to do a weekly test on it by law, and you might have a change of staff. So having a maintenance and a company that you can call to teach you, and we do videos on it as well. So a video of how to test your fire alarm is really handy. Or someone on the phone that you can say, don't really know what I'm doing. Or next time we come and do maintenance, we'll teach you and 3 or 4 others how to test your fire alarm to give you the confidence that you're looking after it. So it's important to have support and aftercare with the fire alarm, and it's a legal requirement anyway. But you might as well make the most of working with somebody that works with you.